how did you get started with Bowen therapy? What made you get started with Bowen therapy?
Well, we moved up north about 4 years ago, and we lived in the countryside, so there was lots of pollen and privet and, you know, allergy type things flying around in the air, and I couldn't breathe really, couldn't sleep. It was a bit of a mess, and I tried all different things, homeopathics and just whatever I could get my hands on that was kind of natural to help with the sinus problems. And then one day someone suggested Bowen therapy, so I found a therapist. It was about an hour away, and I went there, and I noticed a change straight away with the hay fever. Basically just went after the first treatment. I felt very tired after the treatment, but it was kind of a nice tired, like relaxed,
You were basically a prisoner in your own home.
Couldn't go outside,
And we hadn't tried Bowen therapy, we'd tried all sorts of things,
Spent a fortune, really.
Yeah. And that one Bowen treatment, there was an immediate change. And that's really, and you went back and got a second course, and you were basically pretty much, it was gone, And that's when you decided
sorted my
to do
neck
it.
out too, didn't it?
Yeah. So, what do you think Bowen therapy is? I mean, you've gone and done it, and I'm going to show people what a move looks like and all that soon. But what is it?
Bowen therapy is a soft tissue therapy. So basically, what we do is we do a series of moves that are subtle, gentle moves, and the moves are just me. All I do is the moves. Your body does the rest. It does all the work. You basically. It's a way of promoting your body to self-heal itself,
So what's involved with the Bowen treatment? What can people expect to happen?
When they arrive for their treatment, they'll keep their clothes on and just comfortable clothing, light clothing, tracksuit pants or tights or something, and lie down, face down on a treatment table. And the treatment lasts between about 40 minutes and an hour. Sometimes it can be just half an hour depending on what they need done. And I do the moves through the clothing, and usually by the time I'm about 10 minutes into the treatment, people are quite relaxed, and some people even feel like going to sleep. They feel quite heavy or light or tingly and warm, Now some people don't notice any of those sensations. They feel relaxed for sure, and then when they get up off the table at the end of the treatment, they usually feel quite different, and they can't put their finger on what it is that feels different, but they know that something's changed. So I'm in my Bowen room now, and I'm going to just go over to my client and just do a few moves on her. So basically we leave it for 2 minutes before we carry on with the next moves, so that the body has time to make any adjustments that it needs to do.
So what moves are you doing?
Just doing the lower back moves at the moment. And again 2 more minutes before the next moves. So you can use Bowen therapy for all sorts of conditions: back pain, neck pain, headaches, foot problems, knee problems, sinus problems, skin problems, digestive issues, emotional problems, injuries, any type of injuries, and stress is a big one. Basically you can treat anything with Bowen therapy.
So it's not a massage, is it?
No, it's a series of moves, and basically it's just allowing the body to reset itself and relax, which is a huge part of the treatment, so the body can adjust, make the adjustments it needs to.
So how can people book a Bowen treatment with you?
They just need to ring me. I'm fairly easy to get hold of at home. I work from home, so but you can always leave a message and I usually get back to people pretty quickly. Is that feeling a bit easier in that area now around your tailbone?
Yeah, it does actually. It's definitely looser.
So I just tell people to avoid massage or physio or any other type of body treatments for about 5 days after they've had Bowen. Yeah.